Let's talk about an upcoming phone from Realme named the Realme GT Master Edition. Now Realme GT, if you don't know, is the current flagship from the company which comes with top-of-the-line Snapdragon 888 chipset. Now the company is going to launch another phone under the GT lineup, and this time it is going to be a Master Edition smartphone. We have already seen some Master Edition phones from the brand, for example the Realme X Master Edition, Realme X2 Master Edition, and so on. So what's the deal with Master Edition phones? Well, the main highlight of those phones is their design. This is because they are designed by the popular Japanese designer Naoto Fukasawa. The Realme GT Master Edition is launching soon, and today we got to see the design of this phone, which is also the main highlight of it. Now these renders are courtesy of 91 Mobiles, and as we can see, the phone is coming in at least 3 color options. First, we have a plain white color option that has a camera module coated in silver. Then we have a plain brown color option with a grey camera module. Both of these color options have a matte finish on the back. And finally, there is a white color option with fox leather finish along with stripes that give it a unique look. The phone does offer a 3.5mm headphone jack, and it is present on the bottom alongside the Type-C port. Now it was earlier expected that the Realme GT Master Edition would be a flagship phone just like the Realme GT. But as per a newer report, this is actually a mid-range phone featuring the Snapdragon 778 chipset. It is said that Realme has partnered with Kodak, so maybe we will see some Kodak inspired camera filters on board. Whatever the case is, the camera setup is not very exciting on paper because it includes a primary 64MP sensor along with an 8MP ultra-wide camera and a 2MP macro camera. There is a 120Hz AMOLED screen on the front, and the phone supports 65W fast charging. Finally, speaking of the price at which Realme GT Master Edition is expected to launch, the starting price is reported to be €399, where you will get 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. There is also a top-of-the-line 12GB RAM model that is going to be priced at €449. So apart from the design and the new Qualcomm chipset, there does not seem to be anything exciting about this phone. It was earlier rumored that we would see a 108MP camera sensor, but it seems like that is some other phone from the brand and not this one. Anyways, what do you think of the Realme GT Master Edition? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.